Why do insurance companies settle cases quickly when the insurance policy is very small and the personal injuries are very large? Hi, I'm Tom Friedman. I'm a lawyer in Nevada, and insurance policies like to get rid of cases with high injuries and low policies as quickly as they can. And the reason for this is pretty well explained by Mike, not his real name, was involved in a auto accident. The person that rear-ended Mike's car had a minimum limits policy, which is now $25,000 here in the state of Nevada. Unfortunately, Mike suffered severe injuries, and his hospital bills alone were more than $150,000. So the insurance company for the at-fault driver tendered or paid its $25,000 limits very quickly, within about a month of receiving a demand. Now, why did they do this? Is this because they're very generous and thoughtful and kind human beings? No, it is not. The reason insurance companies tend to settle cases with small policies and big injuries quickly is because they don't want to run into a scenario where they have an excess verdict. And what this means is, in a case like this, Mike's bills, let's say at the end of 2 years, would be $200,000. And Mike would sue the person that hit him and go to trial. Well, the person that hit Mike is at fault, so the liability portion that he needs to prove is easy. Then the damages part is the $200,000 in medical bills, plus his lost earnings, plus his pain and suffering, and this $200,000 could easily turn into a verdict of $300,000, $400,000, and up. Well, there's only a $25,000 insurance policy, so what would happen is a jury would give Mike, let's say hypothetically, $400,000. The at-fault driver would get a verdict against him to pay that $400,000, and that person's insurance company would say, okay, look, here you bought $25,000 of insurance. We're writing that $25,000 check. We'll give that to Mike. And now you personally owe $375,000. So this person now is going to be very, very unhappy, because if this person had assets, a house, cars, bank accounts, things like that, Mike's attorneys could go foreclose on the house, sweep the bank accounts, do whatever they needed to do to pay off the remaining $375,000. And this driver is going to be very upset with his insurance company for not settling the case quickly and getting him out of harm's way. And he might want to file a bad faith lawsuit against the insurance company. And insurance companies don't like getting sued. So that's the reason that when there's a small policy and big injuries, insurance companies tend to settle these cases as quickly as they can. If you've got any questions, please feel free to give me a call, drop me an email, and thanks very much for watching.